listening to Jacob's favorite song. Look at him. What are you doing back there, Jacob? Babe, that's Omar, baby daddy. Baby daddy. And my name is Donna. I don't think I ever give my intro, but yeah, my name is Donna. We're gonna go out to dinner. I had a really busy day today. I'm tired, but I'm very hungry, so let's see where we're gonna end up. Hey, baby RAKi, what's wrong, baby RAKi? RAKi.
He is crying. I did, but she's not sucking it. Donna, trying to keep a piece of the straw. Donna has 6 hands, straw on me. You know I like love on me. And then my mom got me this. And it had Scott on it. And the baby RAKi just calmed down. Hi, say hi, baby RAKi. Here's her baby RAKi, she's cute. Oh yeah? She said, oh bite. Hey. She said, do you love my dollar party? My damn mom, I'm so dirty. And you know me. It's in a boat street. So, it's in a boat me. You're in a boat street. God's plan.
What are you doing hitting him in the head? Oh, what happened, Abby girl? We're at Chili's. We ended up at Chili's. And we're just waiting. What are you doing?
If she wakes up, you're gonna take care of
her. Hi, Abby girl. Say hi, Abby. We're at Chili's waiting. We are just waiting right here. What are you guys doing? No, 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 that's the baby's water. That's the baby's water. No, you can't drink that water.
Give me it.
That's the baby's water.
That's the baby's water.
You're not a baby.
I am a baby.
Baby RAKi.
But mine
Stop. So we are finally here, and I have some baked potato soup, bomb. We got chili. How's the chili bowl? Bomb as chili.
We're about to go to the casino tonight. Thank you very much to our wife.
Mrs. Bomb, and then I was waiting for my steak.
You guys will make our drink too.
Wait, what? I shouldn't be eating this. I should be on a diet, but I can start Monday.
I need my lucky charm.
You guys.
This potato is so good.
He said I need my lucky charm.
I need my lucky charm.
Look at it. It just looks so yummy. You're already done eating, Jacob? You didn't even eat your pizza. He left his pizza. Leftovers that he's not even gonna eat. Would you like your pasta?
Yeah, you gotta go with your little iced tea
Chain with a tab. When you're scared of your tab. Like I can't even right now. Oh my god, it's chaos in this house. What are you doing, Edgar? Why are you hiding?
What?
You just shut up and get out?
Yes, just get out. Go home. What are you doing here? Go home.
Doors, dude.
I'm a baby. we have baby RAKi right here. Look, that's my baby RAKi.
We set out to proclaim the moment of truth.
What are you guys playing? Oh my god, that's a laser gun. Oh.